Welcome, human and feline friends, to Leo's cat-proofing tips. And I'm your perfect host, Leo the cat, here to help you make your home a haven to both you and your furry companions. First up, protect your precious furniture from our fabulous feline claws by providing us with irresistible scratching posts. Trust me, we'll love sinking our claws into those instead. Elevated perches, the ultimate cat luxury. Give us a front row seat to observe our kingdom and enjoy a little meow time away from the hustle and bustle. Don't forget to provide us with plenty of toys to keep us entertained and mentally stimulated. We're natural hunters, so anything that moves or jingles will keep us on our paws. The call of nature. Make sure our little box area is clean, private, and easily accessible. It's our own little oasis, so keep it fresh and free from unwanted odors. Remember, humans, a cat-friendly home is a happy home. Follow these tips and you'll have a paw-some space that both you and your fabulous feline cat can enjoy. Meow!